An egg on the street, heat waves wiggling on the sidewalk, cops are dropping like flies on the beat. I need a new lover to take me feelings to from this human air. Be from Brooklyn, Staten Island, or Queens, I don't care. It don't matter what kind of love you're into, or how big your apartment might be. All you need is an air conditioner, and you're the man for me. You can fan my fever brown. You can rub me down with alcohol. That ain't enough, no how. You can lay me in a tub of ice. You can stand me in a cold shower too. But if you don't have an air conditioner, I will not go home with you. It don't matter how love you're into, or how big your ego might be. All you need is an air conditioner. You are the man, you are the man, you are the man, you are the man. What's that you say? You live by the Hudson River, and the breeze blows through your door. Well, honey, you don't have a free drinks in your window. I don't want to hear anymore. You say you live in a penthouse.